Hi friends, this is Arav Chaudhary. Welcome back to yet another episode of Talks with Arav. Thank you for connecting with me and being there. Sharing with you my journey as an actor, my experiences in cinema, television, and now web shows. In the earlier episode, we discussed DOP, the director of photography, camera. Now, today, let me just quickly take you into movies which have been larger than life, and we've all no matter what generation we are in and where we are, we all want to see, go back in past and see a fistful of dollars for a few dollars more, all those western classics with Clint Eastwood, where I mean everybody's heard that music. The good, the bad, the ugly. Okay, Mekhana's Gold, and of course our very own Sholay and Shan and all the even the black and white films. Now, the most important part, apart from, as I said earlier, the script, the acting, direction, music, is the camera work, which one tends to neglect, or it's not spoken about enough. बहुत कम कहा जाता है या बातचीत होती है कैमरा के बारे में या सिनेमाटोग्राफी के बारे में। कितने महान कलाकार हुए हैं आज भी, और उनका जो योगदान है वो बहुत ही सराहनीय है। बहुत because DOP, cameraman, is solely responsible for making all us actors look good on screen, and what all lighting does. Okay, so today I normally, as whatever I have learned thanks to work and picking up things from all these greats that I work with, Santosh Sivan, Jang, Vinod Pradhan, and mostly Ashok ji, Mr. Ashok Mehta. So, and of course, the photographers, the greats, Atul Kaspekar, Ashok Salian, Dabu Ratnani, many more. So, as a model, so I picked up on lighting, and that's how, if you sorry, I'm deviating from this subject, but I'm coming back. I'll come back to it because I'm talking about how you light up a shot. So what you see on Instagram, on all my posts, everything is solely shot by me personally. Even when I'm filming myself, the way I am filming myself right now, I set up the camera, I take the lighting. Now, my source of lighting is mostly direct light, natural light. I do not use artificial light, because as long as the best possible source, which is the natural light, is available. So in all my videos I've been using the source coming out of the window, the sun directly. So a cameraman knows how to light up a shot. They bounce the light, they do not throw the direct light on your face, on your body, on your whole आपका जो पूरा आकार है वो कैसा दिखता है, वो solely the cameraman is responsible. So what they do is they bounce the light onto the light is coming and bouncing onto a source, and then from there it is going on to your face. तो जितने हमारे हीरो हीरोइंस, हम सब एक्टर्स जो हैं, वो इतने आप रोमांटिक गानों के अंदर में उतने कमाल के दिखते हैं। अब चाहे वो थके हुए हैं, चाहे वो बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया है उन्होंने, बट वो सब नहीं दिखेगा क्योंकि वो कैमरामैन का कमाल है, वो उनका जादू है, एंड दैट इज ट्रूली ट्रूली मैजिकल व्हेन you see all those 1942 A Love Story, or Devdas, or all these romantic beautiful films. They look so beautiful. Everybody and everything in every frame looks so nice, and that is thanks to the cameraman. So how it is done, that magic is done by lighting the shot, insight into what kind of source, what kind of lighting does a cameraman do, which creates the magic on screen. Thank you again for this episode and joining me. Be safe. God bless you all.